Strength Will Rise Weekend Away is happening, and it's going to be happening next year in 2022. So we're giving you a heads up. The dates for this are going to be the 3rd to the 5th of June, and it's a great opportunity for the Excel Family Church to get away for a weekend together. So this is one not to be missed, so make a note of that diary for next year and watch this space as we give you more information as it goes along.
The voice of heaven, a Father reaching out. Hallelujah, Christ is risen. I'm forgiven out of darkness.
Got a story to share about what God's doing in your life? Well, we'd love to hear from you. So if you would like to take part in a video feature during any of our Sunday services, then make sure that you send us a video, landscape, not portrait, of you sharing with us briefly about something special that God's done in your life. We'd love to hear about what God's doing in the life of Excel Church family members. So make sure you get in touch with us, and you can send us your video via email or through social media. We'd love to hear from you.
On Sunday the 4th of July we'll be having a baptismal service, so if you're a Christian and aren't yet baptised, get in touch with us because we'd love to see you baptised on this day.
Christ is risen. I'm forgiven out of darkness. You have called me. I believe now I am a child of God.
Bookings are now open this year for our Devoted Conference. So ladies, if you want to get in quick with the early bird discount, then make sure that you book in before the end of July. So you can sign up via our website or via Church Suite. So make sure you head to those sites and get signed up ready for October.
Praises with open arms, you brought me back into the family, into the family. Now that I'm here, I stand in awe to sing your praises, to sing your praises. Hallelujah.
So that's all for Excel News. If you'd like any more information, just get us on social media or our website, and have a great week.